WT0463, Janine Dulang, 39 years old, married, college level, 2 years experience, the domestic helper in Brunei. Tell, tell me something about yourself.
I am Janine Dulang, 39 years old, married, and a mother of 3 sons. Presently, I am living in Pasay City. I've been married for 18 years. Originally, I came from General Santos City, the city where I grew up. My parents are Mr. Patricio Pinuela and Frida Pinuela. I took Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, 2 years. I was not able to finish my college because of financial shortage.
Okay, if you have children, who will take care of them?
My husband.
Tell me something about your DH experience in Brunei.
With my 2 years experience in Brunei as a domestic helper, I can do household chores such as cleaning the house, living room, bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
I know some of it, but I am willing to learn.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are singing, cooking, and gardening.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
I am willing.
How about the elderly?
I am also willing.
Okay. Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
Lie the baby down on the bed and with the head little up, and then give the bottle.
If the baby is still keep crying, what will you do?
If I cannot stop him or her, I will carry her, and then I can sing a lullaby song for her or him.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
Most important is round the clock body temperature monitoring, and if necessary, give medicine.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Give me example.
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. 2 little hands are good to see.
Very good, thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have any other talents?
Maybe not singing only, dancing. I can dance.
Okay. If you feel homesick, what will you do?
Maybe I will just think of my goal, which is to earn more money.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract?
Of course, I will not break my contract. I will just send money if needed.
What could you teach the children?
Maybe I can teach because I am not their parents, but I think I can be their second mother, like maybe teaching how to be courteous with other people, respect with other people.
Very good. How long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants me to stay, I choose Hong Kong because the benefit is good and I can earn more money.
Okay. Message to be son employer.
I am responsible, I am hardworking, I am courteous, patient, honest, and efficient.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Sadin Dulang.
Thank you also.